Hello students. In this particular project, we will try to understand how information flows inside the department in different teams. Okay, so this particular project can be dedicated to the students who want to understand and implement MIS, Management Information System. So let us start. Very first, we will understand what is this data and why we are going to manage this data. So this particular data is about the list of colleges in different regions. You can see the region names also are here and the category of the colleges. Okay, MBA, PhD, this kind of colleges are there, or engineering. Okay, and for these colleges my company is going to target so that we may get some enrollment of the students. So let me define what is my company. We are Swachanda, where we sell online trainings, not the courses, trainings. For this, either we can target individual students or we can target colleges so that placement officers or professors, if they thought that this particular training is very much relevant, they can give instructions to their students that they can enroll in bulk, right? So many students can enroll at a time. So this is what our strategy is. Now for marketing our own platform, we can have two different options: offline marketing, online marketing. This particular data what I'm going to show you is about the online marketing, and that also not a paid marketing. We will see how optimization can help us to get the relevant visitors, inquiries, and enrollment. So this is the data of the same colleges. So what I have done is, from this data set I have taken only list of all the colleges from this first column. Okay, all these columns are covered, and for that, on each day, what is the progress of our optimization that I have mentioned. So let me explain how. There are three different platforms on which we are having channels: LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Currently we will not deal with our website. There is one more column of relevant visitors, inquiries, and enrollment. For example, on 15th of September, if from this particular college, if there is anyone who visits our LinkedIn page, okay, of our company, so there will be some relevant visitors count over here. If it is zero, then LinkedIn score will be also zero. These are basically score. LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, these are the score of optimization. So you can consider this is a SEO score for my LinkedIn page, SEO score for my YouTube page, same thing for the Instagram handle. Okay, and from all the relevant visitors who are visiting my LinkedIn page or YouTube channel or Instagram, how many people are inquiring about the courses, how many people want the information about our courses. From that, how many people have already enrolled in our courses. Okay, so if we scroll down, so I have given you the latest data, and this is the real time original data set that the company is dealing. What every student has to do is you have to carefully observe that how the data is varying. Okay, now here from 16th of September, you can see there is a college from where we got 10 relevant visitors to our page, LinkedIn page. Okay, you will not see any of the relevant score for YouTube and Instagram, because we are not yet promoting, we are not yet ready to optimize our YouTube and Instagram. So we are only concentrating currently on the LinkedIn. That's what current strategy is. So we have a score of 10, sorry, we have 10 relevant visitors over here, right? So 10 relevant visitors are there, and from that 10 relevant visitors, what I will do is I will give a score. So the score is decided based on how many visitors are coming. 0 to 10, so visitors will be, if the visitors are in between 0 to 9, score will be 0. If the visitors cross 10 to 19, in between 10 to 19, the score is 1. Okay, and in this way you can see rest of the scores. Okay, so more than 20 but less than 30, score will be 2. More than 30 but less than 40, score will be 3. In this way, simple thing. So whatever number of visitors are there, I will just divide by 10. Whatever number will be there, I will take the previous integer of that. Okay, and that will be my count. Like 14 is there, I will divide 14 by 10, 1.4. What is the previous, the smallest integer for this? 1.4, 1. Okay, so that is my SEO score. Now this is not actually defined anywhere or somewhere. This is what strategy we follow. So this might be not used by any other company, or I don't know, but this is what something we follow, and in this project we will deal in this way. Okay. And now you will see that there are no any kind of enquiries, or there are no any kind of enrollments. I can see only zero zero zeros. But slowly the visitors are growing. At least the visitors are growing. Correct. These are the real time dates, like 18 September, and today is 22 September, 22nd of September. Okay, so you can see the how we are making progress for this particular list of colleges. At least people are visiting. Okay, due to some activities, our social media optimization activities, students or professors or teaching staff, anyone, directors, it might be dean or anyone from that particular college, are at least visiting to our page. Okay, LinkedIn page. YouTube and Instagram are zero. Now what we have to do is, we just have to maintain this particular data from next day. Okay, so now I have mentioned till 20 20 of October, I guess, or sorry, 20 of September. Okay, and this 20 of September we have maintained. Yesterday's data will be given to the students who want to do the live project, and that particular data set, based on that particular data set, you have to mention all the visitors. If there are visitors here, you just divide by 10 and take the smallest integer of that and mention a SEO score over here. Similarly, from this you will get another sheet where how many enquiries we have got. Now enquiries of can be of two types. Either people call us and tell that we saw your number from LinkedIn, or they just message on our LinkedIn page, comment on our LinkedIn page, or they fill the registration form that we have given on the LinkedIn page. And this is what we are getting in the inquiries. So there will be a separate file given to the students in which number of visitors can be analyzed. Separate file, this file will be given by people who are only analyzing visitors. This file will be given by people who are generating leads. They will get the leads or they will get the inquiries. And this will be given by the sales team, how many people are converted. So there are multiple teams in the collaboration, and every team is working to give the data, process that data into information, store that data, and then further show it in some different format. This is what is our intention. Now to understand, okay, to understand like how we can show this to our client or to boss. Now, like I'm the founder and CMO of company, so I would like to understand what is the progress of our every each and every college. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open my Trello board. Okay, so this is my Trello board where all the students or all the employees, I can consider, they have to do some activities over here, so that whatever information is stored in the Google Sheets will be shown inside a dashboard format. Now, this dashboard can be prepared with the help of Excel, Power BI, Tableau, or anything. What I want is, I want it in the Trello format, because I can also see how the customer journey is. That's why. And most probably, if you try to build this in any other platform, so it's totally depend upon you that how good or bad you do. So currently we use only the Trello, and this is how we are going to track customer journey over here. This is very effective way that our company follow, where the cards, these are the cards basically. Okay, in this Trello board I have prepared different cards of the same colleges. All right. And for this, each and every college, if you go and if you click on this, so you just have to type something over here, so that I will understand what I have to show in the progress for my client or for my boss. Okay, as an employee. For understanding all these things, let us first understand trial board. So I have also prepared a trial board now. Now this particular board is also given access to my students who have already enrolled. Okay, so I have given the access of this. Now what they are going to do is, they are going to store, they are going to store my trial data here. Okay, so this is the trial data. Why we call this a trial data? Because already my core team is working on this, and the students who are going to perform live activity on this particular project will get understanding from this data. Okay, here are the relevant visitors. Like I have given you data from 1st of September, but we are targeting this college from last many days. Okay, so this is list of college. Only five colleges I have taken, and same college are repeating after the 1st of September, second, third, fourth, and so on. Okay, I'm trying to give you all the real time and latest data set so that you can see and you can track how the company progress and why the tools are needed, which we are selecting, why Trello is needed, why Excel is needed, why Google Sheets is needed, whatever is needed, why we need that particular tool. Okay, so whatever I have told you, like relevant visitors will be given by one team. They will be giving only how many visitors are coming to our page. You just have to divide by 10. Once I divide it by 10, 28.7. Smallest integer of 28.7 is 28. So that will be my LinkedIn score. This is what the score is. Okay. Now, from the score, there will be a lead generation team. Okay. They will get some inquiries. It can be through Google Forms, registration links, calls, or messages, anything. And they will tell us from this many visitors, we are getting how many inquiries on that particular day from that particular college. All right, and sales team will tell on that particular day from that college how many people have enrolled. Now this might happen, three inquiries are received from Ram, Sham, and let's say Rahul. Okay, but enrollment has been done by Sita and Geeta. How it is possible? Because we are not doing marketing today. This particular data is from uh, this particular data is only a sample data. Okay, this is only extracted data of our original data set, which I cannot show obviously. And that's why in previous month, August month, whatever marketing we have done, whatever post we have made, due to that Sita and Geeta were influenced and they enrolled on 1st of September. So it doesn't mean that they were visitors of our September first date. They have already visited few days back and then they have enrolled on this. Okay. Or it can also happen like Ram, Sham, and Rahul are inquiring about the course, and on the same day, two of them are enrolling. Anything can happen. So this doesn't mean like inquiries can be 15 also. Okay, if inquiries are three, let's say, enrollment can be also 10. Why 10? We are not considering only this inquiries. We are also considering that, for example, on 1st of September, Rahul, Sham, and Ram has inquired, but they have enrolled on second. This can happen, correct? So three people have inquired over here, but they enrolled over here on second. Sorry, on the second date from the PS college. On the second date, they have enrolled here. Okay, so inquired here, but enrolled on this particular date, 2nd of September. This can happen. So why I'm telling or concentrating upon this? If you find any kind of numbers like enquiries are less but enrollments are more, how it is possible? So this is one of the possibility that people have enrolled because they have already seen few days back, but decision has been taken after some days. Or second thing can happen, Gram, Sham, and Rahul has already inquired, and on second they have enrolled. Okay, after that they have recommended the same training to their friend without visiting to our page. That friend can also enroll in our course. That's why inquiries can again be low and enrollment can be high somewhere. Okay, I don't know what is the data, but wherever you found, so meaning of this particular numbers you should understand why the numbers are high, low, or whatever it is. Okay, so this is how you should deal with the this data set. Now what I'm going to do is, I have five different colleges. These are my five different colleges. I will go to my Trello board. Okay, this is my Trello. In this Trello, I have mentioned five different colleges, the same college. Once I click on this board, I can see I have just written the name of college, location, and current total students who have enrolled. Okay, current total students means who have already enrolled. So I will just go back. Sorry, I'll just go back to this and I will see how many people have enrolled. Okay, so for this particular college, let's say I'm writing here a comment. Okay, of 1st September 23. Okay, and here I'm writing comment of only inquiries, or I will type leads. Okay, inquiries means nothing but the leads. So I will type leads. How many are leads? Inquiries are three from this college. So leads are three and enrolled are two. Okay, once I make this comment, I will save it. I have saved it. Now I will make the changes over here because all the status were 0 0, but now there are two enrollments on first, so I will do 2 over here, and I will also save this. All right. Similarly, I will go to this Alliance University. I will write over here first comment, like what is the status of Alliance University. 5 lead have been generated, inquiries are 5. So what I will do, rather than always writing, what I can do is I can just copy paste if you want. Okay, so I will just uh, copy this particular thing, and then I can paste it over here. Okay, now I will see that leads generated are 5. Okay, and enrollments, how many enrollments are there? 3. Okay, so enrollments are 3 over here. I will save it. All right, I hope you are understanding. Now what we have to do is we just have to go to this, and current total students will change. How many people have enrolled till now? 3. So I will write down here 3, and I will save this. All right. After this, you will do same thing for the all the colleges. Okay. So for this college also you will do the same thing. You will go here, check for that college. What are the inquiries on first? That are 3. Means leads are 3 and enrollment are 2. So here I will quickly write down on the first September. Okay, you can write first September also, whatever format you want. This should be only the comment, right? Comments can be anything. You can write in your own words also. And here, enrolled, I will write down as 2. Okay, in this way. Now, what we have to do is here also enrollment 2. Current students are 2, right? Total count of students is 2. Now, same thing, 4 and 2. Next, also 4 and 2. Remember, okay? So, what I will do is I will go to this. I will write down here first September 23 leads, 4 enrolled, 2. Okay, and same thing I will save first, same thing I will change over here to save. Done. So I have here, I can see also who have changed this. So currently I have made the change. Like if I give access to my students who are doing live project, so I can see that which student has made the changes. Okay, everything can be done. Now this has been made, and same thing for the next also. So that's why I will copy and paste it over here. Okay, I will save it. In here I will do it to save it. Done. Now this is what the process is. Let's say for example these are the 5 colleges which are allocated to me. Okay, so I will do changes in that colleges only. Now how we will understand, like students who are going to do the live project, I have written down the name here, and their clients also have written. Okay, so these are the client details, like which colleges you have to make the changes in. Okay, these are the colleges in which you have to make the changes, right? So if there is any other student who have to make the changes, so they will first see here. Okay, whatever is their area of changes. Okay, and then they will do on second. Now what we'll do, again come to here. On second we have generated leads 4, enrollment are 2. I will again go to this. Now I will write down the comments. Okay, new comment, next comment. So I will uh, copy paste first, copy, here you paste second. All right, second, and leads generated are 4 and 2, right? Yes, here 4 and enrollment are 2. All right, so save. But now count will increase by 2. Now here total count will be 4. This is what you have to make the changes. Again for next colleges 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 2. You will do 5 and 3, right? So you will do the same thing for next colleges also. 4 and 2, 4 and 2 is there. So I will just copy this. Again come to this. What is the status on this? The same status was there. Second September you can see leads are 4, enrollment are 2. I will save this. But now student count will increase by 2. So I will make it 5. Again save, right? Then again I will go to this sheet. I will come into over here, save it, come to this, make the changes, increase by 2, save. Why increase by 2? Obviously there, according to the leads generation or enrollment, I'm making the changes. Okay, so here also increase by 2, it will be 4, save. And here it was 5 and 3. Okay, so I will write down the comment on second. 5 leads are generated, and 3 people have enrolled. I will save it. Total students should increase by now 3. So it has made 5. Save. Now this process you will go and keep on doing. Okay, now once you have made this, okay, let's say from 1st September you have made this thing. So obviously some leads are generated because of SEO. What you will do is I will do this and shift this particular college over here. Same thing with here. Why I'm shifting this college? Why I'm shifting this college? Because all SEO is running. Okay, SEO for all the colleges is running. So I will first of all shift over here. Okay, from these colleges. Now let's imagine I'm giving you any other different college from this particular data set, like ames university. What I will do, I will copy paste here, create a new card. Okay, here is my card. Now in this particular card, is there any progress whatever I have made? I will go over here, check in my SEO progress. Is there any progress? No. In trial data, is there any progress? No. So what I will do, I will keep this card over here. Okay, so this is how you have to do for the SEO activation. Same thing you have to do on original. This is what trial data I'm showing. You have to do it on original data sets. Okay, original data set. So I will just quickly show you. Like for this particular thing, on 15th, you will comment for this particular college. What you will comment? Uh, Name of the college, wherever this college is from. Okay, search the location from the Google. It's easy. And one time only, you have to mention the location. After that, next, total number of current students, that is 0, right? And you have to comment on 15 September, 0 leads, 0 enrollment. Okay, so should we move this to SEO activation? No, SEO is inactive. So what I will do is I will copy this. Okay, in my original dashboard, this is my original dashboard which you will be given the access of. Okay, in this what I will do, write down the description first, name of the college, current students are 0, and you will save it. Then I will make the comment on 15th. Okay, 0923 leads are 0, and enrolled people are also 0. You will save it. This is a 15th date comment. Right? You can delete also comment, you can edit also later. So now once you have done this, what I can see is for this particular college there is one comment, and the college SEO is not active yet. So I will keep it in the inactive section. So this is the list of all the colleges which our strategy officer will tell target all these colleges. So this is a list of colleges where all the targeting is going on. All the targeting is going on. It's not in your hand who is handling this dashboard, but you have to just mention that okay, I will go to this data set. I will see if the score is 0 means what? SEO is inactive. We are not doing any kind of SEO activity. So you will keep that college in SEO 0. Suddenly, for example, you saw on 16th, if you saw on 16th date for the same college, let's say, uh, where is that college? The college is FMS, right? So on 16th first college I will see, and this is 16th date. I'll see first college. Now you can see the LinkedIn score is 1. 10 visitors are there, correct? 10 visitors, LinkedIn score is 1. What I will do, I will again come back to this. I will first go and comment on 16th, 0923. Okay, leads are again 0, enrollment enrolled are again 0, and I will save this. But now this time, you have to write down this description only once, like what is the college, and current student is 0 only, because no any enrollments are going. But now what is the changes? Now suddenly the college has been active, so I will shift this college to here. Got it? Means what? Once the college is getting relevant visitors, means what? There is more than 0 score of that college in SEO. Here here more than 0 is there, means our SEO is active. So you are expected to move that from inactive to active. Okay, if your strategy officer told that no, we cannot do any kind of activity for this particular college, and change the strategy, do not target this. So what you will do, if it is written, or if it is you are been instructed, you got a mail or your team is telling that, you will move this to the removed from targeting. Okay, so those students who will be doing live project, remember that if you get any kind of instructions in the Excel sheet, okay, that you have to not we have stopped the SEO for that college, so you have to keep it in the removed from targeting. You have to write down the comments also, when it was told, by whom it was told, correct. And then there are more things like warm leads, hot leads, and warm. Okay, once we start getting, let's say for example, we start getting in this 16, we are getting some leads but no enrollment. So what is that? That are warm leads. Okay, that are the warm leads over here. So what you will do, you will first comment over here that leads are something greater than zero, whatever value will be given in the data set, enrollment will be still zero. Okay, and then you will shift that particular card to warm leads. We are getting enquiries but not conversion. We are getting inquiries but not conversion, and that's why it is in the warm leads. Okay, so you will always keep such kind of colleges from where we are getting inquiries but no enrollment in the warm. Once we start getting any enrollment, a single enrollment, so that one single enrollment if it is there, you will keep this in the hot lead. Okay, when you will keep in the hot lead, only one enrollment is there, not more than one, not less than one, only one. Why we call this as a hot lead then? Because at least someone has enrolled from that college. Now we are not expected one, we are not expecting only one student. Our intention is to target lot of students. So once we are getting more than one total number of current students, then only we will shift to the one. One means we have won that college and now our influence has been started. So if we are having a college where only zero students are there, so what you will do, you will first keep it over here. Then SEO is active, correct. SEO score has been generated because visitors are coming. You will keep it in active. If suddenly visitors stop on one particular day, you will keep it in inactive. You will mention that comments also. If let's say strategy officer told that remove from targeting, you will remove it. Or you are getting any enrollment, so you are getting any inquiries. Okay, inquiries means what? Leads are generating, people are calling you, people are messaging you, then you will keep it in warm leads. But we are not getting any enrollment. As soon as we get first enrollment, you will keep that in hot lead. First enrollment, only one, only one, not more than one, not less than one, only one. Why we call this a hot lead, already explained. Because whenever one student gets enrolled from that particular college, now at least we can take advantage of that particular student and we can convince his or her friend, like your friend has enrolled, you can also enroll. So that becomes our hot lead. So this college is our hot lead. Okay, at least one student has enrolled. Once more than one student start enrolling, so we will keep it in one. Okay, what do you mean by lost? So let's say for example, even after 1 month, our cycle is of 1 month, even after 1 month we are not getting enrollment. Okay, from warm leads or hot leads, from any card, if there is no any enrollment from 1 month, shift that card to lost. Lost means there is no, we have lost our influence in that particular college. Okay, so we have lost that college and we are not having current any kind of influence. This is how we are going to do the project. Now I will shift this particular thing here and I will delete the comment so that my students can start their project. All right, I hope the things are clear. So all the students can start their project. How they can start? First they have to see that which college you have to handle. Okay, so now my students can start with the project. You have to see that which college are allocated to which student. Okay, so these are the clients allocated to Rutuja, these are the clients allocated to Gaurav, and so on, right? So these are currently my students, but same thing when I do it in the company, they will be my employees, correct? So this is the one part of MIS where data is been stored so that we can show dashboard to our boss, client, or anyone. Okay, so in next things I will explain the other details also.